Tommy's Express opens a new world model, and Club Car Wash is helping Texas flood victims. All that and more coming up in this PC&D Weekend Review. Hey, I'm Kyle Alexander with Professional Car Washing and Detailing Magazine and carwash.com, and this is your Weekend Review. This week in Car Wash e-News, Tommy's Express Car Wash welcomed the community for a weekend-long celebration in Holland, Michigan. It marked the grand opening of the first ever Tommy's Express World Model location. Guests enjoyed giveaways, family fun, and supporting Outdoor Discovery Center, a local nonprofit focused on outdoor education. Tommy's Express donated a portion of sales from the grand opening celebration to Outdoor Discovery Center. The event highlighted Tommy's Express's commitment to innovation and community involvement. Splash Car Wash opened its 68th location in Fayetteville, New York. It features a 140-foot conveyor and 21 free self-serve vacuums. This location marks Splash's 42nd site in New York. Dave Clements and Jeff Arnold, Splash Car Wash's development partners, led this project. They also managed the new site construction in Syracuse, New York, which is expected to open in Q1 of 2026. Splash began construction on 3 express washes in Newburgh and Nanuet, New York. The company also started building 1 express wash in Springfield, Massachusetts. Splash expects to open all 4 sites in the late fall of 2025. AMP launched the new AMP Industry Insights Report. This quarterly publication helps operators navigate changing consumer behavior and car wash industry trends using real actionable data. The report draws from over 7,000 car wash locations across AMP's platform, and it combines behavioral data with analytical insights from NCS Wash Intel and Rubicon Analytics. Each edition features top-line car wash industry trends and includes a focused deep dive on one major topic. Q2 2025 report focuses on customer demographics and how age and gender affect behavior. Key highlights from the Q2 2025 report include regional growth holding steady and quarterly volume trends signaling industry strength. Future AMP reports will explore churn reduction strategies, loyalty program effectiveness, lifetime value, and how operators can improve long-term performance. You can find a link to the full Q2 2025 report at our website, carwash.com. And finally, in response to recent devastating floods across Texas, Club Car Wash will have a donation campaign starting today. Club Car Wash will contribute $1 from every booth lane wash at Austin and San Antonio locations to the Central Texas Food Bank. This donation effort will run through Sunday, July 20th, and the Central Texas Food Bank currently provides essential food assistance and recovery support to people affected by this flooding. Club Car Wash will also accept open donations at all participating locations throughout the weekend. That'll do it for this week's Weekend Review. You can find the full stories of these highlights at carwash.com. You can also sign up for our free Car Wash e-News and magazine at carwash.com/subscribe. I've been Kyle Alexander, and as always, keep on sparkling.